Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Neha and I make videos on fashion and lifestyle. Today's video is all about the 5 days healthy challenge that I took up. I've been binging on junk for a while now and I decided I needed to start eating a little bit healthy. So today's video is nothing to do with crash diet or refraining myself from eating something. It is more on the lines with sliding into a healthy routine. So I put up this question out on Instagram and you guys suggested that I make a video on what I eat during this course of 5 days. So this video is for all you guys who recommended it. Also, I'm gonna put out a list of groceries that can help you guys if you want to take on a similar route. Also gonna give you guys some tips and tricks, which tips and tricks. It's a tongue twister. So that could help you guys while taking on a healthy routine or changing your diet. So here's what I had. Let's take a look. I start every morning with the same routine. I have a warm glass of water with apple cider vinegar, a little bit of ginger juice, garlic, and lemon, which is great for weight loss and any other ailments. So, this is what I do pretty much every single morning. For breakfast, I had a smoothie. So this one has 1 banana, half an avocado, 2 spoons of oats, and almond milk. For this 5 days diet, I actually avoided all the dairy products. The banana and the avocado actually makes this smoothie pretty heavy. It is very filling. Coffee is definitely a must for me every single day. It is black and it doesn't have any calories. For lunch, I had a big portion of salad along with 2 scrambled eggs. The salad has beetroot, carrot, and onions, and obviously coriander leaves, which is my favorite. I have seasoned it with lemon, pepper, and salt. For snacks, I had some nuts. Again, you can't have a huge portion of nuts, so make sure you're having smaller portions. For dinner, I had the same salad. All I did was boiled chickpeas and added some seasoning to it. I did add garlic powder and onion powder along with salt and pepper. Day 2, the morning routine was the same in terms of warm water and apple cider vinegar. For breakfast, I had an omelette stuffed with sauteed capsicum and had some pieces of papaya. For my snack, I had a chia seed pudding. This is chia seeds that are soaked overnight in almond milk and coconut water and topped with mango pieces. Also, I had a black coffee during the course of the day. I haven't included the picture. The chia seed pudding kept me stuffed through the day, so I had a pretty late lunch. This is again the beetroot which is remaining from the previous day, and I added snap peas to it, had a chapati, and made a hummus without tahini. Throughout the day, I try to drink at least 1.5 liters of water. Sometimes I add lemon to it to just add some flavor. Since it was a Friday, I ended up cheating and having a slice of pizza and 2 fried chicken. Day 3, the breakfast was a very easy fix. I just boiled an egg and had fruits and a cup of black coffee. For my snack, I just had some grapes. Grapes have a lot of sugar, so keep in mind to again have a smaller portion every time you have them. For lunch, I had a cucumber salad with onion and coriander leaves, a chicken curry, and three chapatis. I ended up having the same thing for dinner as well, since I cooked a bigger portion. One other drink apart from the apple cider vinegar that I have regularly is coconut water. It is extremely hydrating and great for skin as well. Day 4, I had oats for breakfast. I have cooked the oats in almond milk and added some raisins, almonds, and apple. For my snack, I just smashed some avocado and topped it with date syrup. For lunch, I had whole wheat spaghetti with pan fried prawns. For the sauce, I blended avocado and coriander and just added some salt and chili flakes to season it. And also just added a few chickpeas on top. I had the same thing in a smaller portion for dinner. Every night I have a glass of green tea or infused water. This is Tesco's lemon ginger infusion. For breakfast, I had overnight oats. These oats have been soaked in mashed banana and a little bit of almond milk. I think it's called Berkshire, not very sure about the name. I watched this episode of Ella where she made this recipe. It tastes really yummy. I just added apples and chia seeds. For lunch, I had millet, prawn curry, and pan fried broccoli. For my snack, I made these pancakes. This is only mashed banana and egg and a pinch of salt. It just turns into this, and they taste really sweet because of the banana. Since I was not in a mood to eat, I just had a papaya smoothie. This is just papaya and almond milk. I had 2 glasses of it. I also wanted to include the skincare routine in this video, but the video itself is gone too long, so I'm gonna make a separate video for it. So here are a few tips for you guys if you want to get into a healthy routine. Number 1 is never do a crash diet. You're only going to confuse your body because you're going to start something and then stop and get back to your routine, so it doesn't serve the purpose. So never ever do a crash diet. Point number 2 is make small changes and gradually. Nobody can, suddenly go on a completely different diet from day 1 onwards. So you rather make those small changes into habits, like portion control, could be anything, but make those small changes on a daily basis, which then leads to your being used to the diet plan. Point number 3 is never keep yourself hungry. Make sure that you have a couple of snacks in between meals, solely because by the time it is lunch, you might end up binging, and it obviously doesn't serve the purpose of the diet. So rather have a couple of snacks, maybe nuts or fruits in between meals. Point number 4, I think I forgot the count, is millet. Switch to millet. It is high in protein, fiber, it is gluten-free and antioxidant. So it is a great substitute for rice. I would definitely recommend you guys to try it. It might be you might take some time to get used to the taste, but definitely recommended to include in your diet. Also, one other thing is weekends. I know weekends can be a very difficult thing to keep up with the diet. What I would recommend is don't refrain yourself from eating. Again, have if people are having pizza or chocolates or whatever, maybe just have one slice of pizza or maybe one piece of chocolate just to get over the urge, rather than refraining yourself and overthinking it. So portion control is the key here. Make sure you don't binge on it, rather than have that one slice of it and get it out of your system. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments below if these are the type of videos that you guys like, then I can make more of these. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you next week.